Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at the latest release from Canadian smart lighting company Nanoleaf. These are the hexagon light panels from the Nanoleaf Shapes series. Like the last major release, the canvas light panels, the Shapes Hexagon panels respond to touch. The hexagons are not physically compatible with the canvas or the original Nanoleaf light panels. You can't physically connect them. But here's a size comparison to give you an idea. Each hexagon is 20 centimeters across. For the review, I have a Hexagon Smarter kit, which has everything needed to get going. There's 7 hexagon light panels, the connectors to join them together, a controller, a power supply, and two-way mounting tape. That mounting tape is because these flat light panels are typically wall-mounted. Now, one big improvement over earlier Nanoleaf panels is a detachable mounting plate with a single piece of tape. This makes it far easier to remove panels from an installation if you change your mind. The panels snap together using these connectors, which also provide power and connectivity from panel to panel. Previous generations used connectors that slid into sockets, but these now snap together. The connection's more secure, and the connectors are made of a more durable plastic. You can see how the connectors work here. I'm adding one to the controller, then snapping it onto a panel. There's a port for a connector on each of the hexagon's 6 sides. The power supply also snaps on with its own connector. Once one or more panels in the installation are connected to the power supply, your Nanoleaf setup is ready to light up and ready to connect to Wi-Fi. I mentioned at the start of this review that the hexagons are not physically compatible with the Nanoleaf canvas or original Nanoleaf panels. However, there are several other options in the Shapes series. These are sold in their own kits and expansion packs, so you can supplement the hexagons with triangles and mini triangles to create more complex patterns if you choose to. The controller lets you switch lighting patterns without requiring an app or a Wi-Fi connection. You can assemble the 7 hexagon light panels in any pattern you wish. The controller supports up to 500 Shapes panels, although you'll need to connect additional power supplies as your collection grows. The included power supply is sufficient for 22 hexagon Shapes panels. The Nanoleaf mobile app walks you through connecting the panels to your Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, the app lets you do things like create patterns virtually so you can see what they'll look like before you assemble them. Wi-Fi connectivity also brings support for Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, and IFTTT. The app also has fine control of all the different scenes, including basic and music visualization options. You can download additional scenes through the app and control other Nanoleaf sets that are on your network. The app will automatically recognize the configuration of your panel setup, so scenes with cascading lighting effects display as intended. You can also take care of any technical tasks here, like firmware updates and even light calibration. I'm a big fan of Nanoleaf's flat panel smart lighting system. I really enjoy the multi-purpose approach. These lights can be task lighting, mood lighting, and the music visualizer can turn any room into a dance club. The flat panel wall mount approach is so unique compared to regular light fixtures, and the new Nanoleaf Shapes hexagons offer the most flexible patterns yet. You'll find these along with all the top brands in smart home lighting at Best Buy. And to learn more about the new Nanoleaf Shapes hexagons, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.